Yes guys, we're here again on another one. This is just a little vlog about this little food stop here. Reggae Vybz Bar and Grill. It is located Comfort Hall, Manchester. So we sell some delicious meals here. So anything you want, you can make a stop here going to Balaclava, leaving Balaclava going to Mandeville. And guys, as I've said, the food is very delicious. They have some decent meals here. So guys, it is located in Comfort Hall, and it is the first stop on the left and it is the last stop on the right leaving. Yes guys, so this little spot is well maintained, clean, nice, spacious. It's a growing food place guys, so you can stop and check it out whenever you're in the area of Comfort Hall. Kim. Yes guys, so here is one of the food. We have chicken and chips. Looks very delicious, right? Yes guys, so we are close to the road. It's right at the roadside, easy stop. Yes guys, I'll be eating this with my chicken and fries. Very nice.
Yes, we have chicken and chips. No, start.
Yes guys, so this is it.